Starlight, Kyocera single and dual channel, Rico, etc. use this product with water-based inkjet heads, including cleaning solution, repair solution, and clearing solution. Step 1. Start by extracting 60 ml of cleaning solution. Open the clog at the front of the nozzle. Inject the cleaning solution into one end of the filter behind the nozzle. Close the clog, and then extract another 60 ml of cleaning solution. Inject it into the filter from the other end behind the nozzle. The cleaning solution will flow out from the nozzle. After cleaning, wipe the nozzle with a non-woven cloth to check if it's clean. If there is still a lot of ink, continue cleaning with the cleaning solution. Step 2. Switch to a new syringe. Extract 60 ml of repair solution. Open the clog in front of the nozzle. Inject the repair solution into the filter from one end. Close the clog, and then extract another 60 ml of repair solution. Inject it into the filter from the other end. The repair solution will flow out from the nozzle. After cleaning, wipe the nozzle with a non-woven cloth. Step 3. Switch to another syringe. Extract 30 ml of clearing solution. Open the clog in front of the nozzle. Inject the clearing solution. Close the clog. Extract another 30 ml of clearing solution. Open the clog in front of the nozzle. Inject 10 ml. Close the clog, and gently press to inject 5 ml into the nozzle. Leave it for 10 minutes. Step 4. After 10 minutes, open the clog in front of the nozzle. Help the remaining 15 ml of clearing solution to be fully injected from one end of the filter behind the nozzle. Extract 60 ml of repair solution and inject it into the filter from one end. Close the clog, extract another 60 ml of repair solution, and inject it into the filter from the other end. Repair solution will spray out from the nozzle. Wipe it with a non-woven cloth and inject air to clear the remaining liquid in the nozzle. Step 5. Extract 30 ml of cleaning solution. Open the clog in front of the nozzle. Inject it from one end of the filter behind the nozzle. After fully injecting the cleaning solution, inject air, close the clog, and continue injecting air to completely empty the remaining liquid inside the nozzle.